Okay. All right. Has the recording began? All right.
Yes.
Let me share my screen. We'll do screen, and then okay, and then let me move this out of the way. Can you guys see my screen?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So I just went to later.com. That's the first step, obviously, and then you click login right here. I think I already have your guys' information. Okay, so yeah, you type your email, the password that was provided to us from Eric, and then just go ahead and hit login. Let me make sure. Let me type in the. Let me. That's. Let me see if I have the password written down. I apologize. Let me see. I have it in my notes.
I can give it to you if you need it.
It's spiritual care with
With a
capital
5.
or with. Yeah, I see it right here. Okay.
And then the capital C for care.
Yeah, I don't know what was saved. Yeah, update password. I don't know what was saved. Thank you. All right, so yeah, here's the whole later interface. I guess first we'll start off with the various social media platforms that you guys are on. So as you guys can see here, we have the Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter. If you guys ever wanted to add any more social media handles, I'm sure Eric, you have experience with that because you kind of set these up a little bit. You just click add here. Go ahead. Well, you kind of max it out, but if because you guys already uploaded it, but it would be over here. You click upload, kind of add the thing in. We need to upgrade the plan to add more, but we already have what we have set, which is the YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram, which is X now, I guess. But back to later. So let's start off with the calendar because I feel like that's probably the most important part. So this is current day or current week, which is 31st through 6th. You basically on the left axis, you can see the time throughout the day, the 24-hour clock, and then at the top you can see the days for the week. And then, so for example, we had one post set to be scheduled to post on Monday around 8:30 because Eric mentioned in one of the meetings earlier last month that throughout the week, early in the morning is kind of when they get a lot of viewership and interactions when it comes to professional posts and like I guess informative posts. So if you click on here, you can kind of see this uploaded yesterday, and it kind of this was provided by Eric. You can kind of see here's the Facebook caption and post caption, picture in the caption, LinkedIn, Twitter. I know for Instagram the picture must be trimmed a little bit, and I know for Twitter the caption has to be shortened a little bit. I think Salim will go into more detail with that. But yeah, here's the calendar. You can even sort by week or month. Like so, if you want to go really wide out, you can kind of see. This is for April. We have 4 posts, 1 post, but on 4 different platforms: Wednesday, Saturday, Sunday, Tuesday. I know Eric mentioned that the recovery month was in September, so we went ahead and made a post here as well for September. But yeah, like I said, this is kind of the overview of how you see what you've done so far. I don't know why it's selected, but and then here you can see the list, which is, like I said, it just goes through the posts that were uploaded in the selected time as well. You can sort new through old to new, published, what already got published, what's scheduled to come. Yeah, this very, very easy to use, which is what I really like about Later. It's kind of why I recommended it. It's very, very easy to use, very simple. That's it for the calendar. Pretty simple, like I mentioned. Here on the left handle, you can kind of see the different options you have. So you click media. This is where you kind of see all the media that's, sorry, this client meeting's in the way. All right, you kind of see like what's uploaded, what hasn't been uploaded, just like it's kind of like your media gallery, kind of. So this is what happened in the last 30 days. This was back in, this is, I believe, what Eric provided. Yes, this is what Eric provided. This is the post that we've made I think Eric gave us this one. But yeah, this is kind of like your media gallery. You can select what you can star important media. You can preview the media as well, and then you can delete them. And this is kind of like a filter system for finding media. So when later down the line, when you have hopefully maybe like a lot of posts, if you stay with later, you can kind of filter it through here and then label it as well. And then for conversations for now, it's kind of like plan based. So if you guys end up staying with later and find it very useful, you can always upgrade the plan. And then I think I'm gonna hand it over to Hamza to go over the analytics portion of later.
All right. Can you see my screen?
We can see it now, yeah.
Yeah.
All right, cool. So for analytics part, a lot of it is blocked just because you need to upgrade the plan. From right here, you can see your best performing posts and you can see your engagement. So this is the only tab that you're able to actually have access to as of right now. But it kind of shows you like, the activity that's going on, the likes, comments, and with the comments, eventually, if you do decide to upgrade on the conversations tab, this is where you'll be able to reply to them straight from later, so you don't even have to log into Instagram. So yeah, there's all these other tabs as well that you can look at. And it's good to have all these analytics to see just, how you can improve and what your content, what your audience is engaging with. Link in bio is pretty cool. It's like a link tree. So you got like blocks over here. You can like add your social links, so you can just import them. And you can have like direct access to all this. And then you can also add like featured media. So any like post you want, even a YouTube video. So that's pretty cool. You can have like a banner. You can add different designs, like whatever you like. You can add your analytics into it as well. But yeah, all these different things can like make this really pop out. This would be like the first thing that people see once they enter, like for example, your Instagram or Twitter profile. So you can make it really creative. There's also these other tabs right here, creator and brand collabs and ideas. They're currently in the beta right now. But once these are like finalized, there's this tab right here, learn with later. It kind of just has like documentation to everything and has training. There's like courses or interactive demos, videos. So you're always able to learn, like if you want to learn a new thing, like just having like a dynamic content calendar. This one's really important. A 60-minute webinar is pretty informative. So you guys can just keep going through these and learn different things on how to, optimize your later usage. But yeah, with that being said, I'm gonna hand it off to Salim to show you how to like post.
Thanks, Hamza. Okay, screen. Can you guys see?
Yeah, we can see.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm gonna be explaining how to create the post. So it's really simple. How Omar was saying, it's very simple and easy to use. Click over here on Create Post. You could choose where you want to post the image or the reel that you're gonna be posting. Over here is the Add Media. You could grab it from a Dropbox, Google Drive, or from your actual PC. It doesn't have to be a picture. It could also be a reel, as I was saying in a video. Over here, this is where you can select if you want the video or for it to be a post. And up here is where you choose or schedule the post. So this has a automatic scheduling, which is very, very helpful. And then over here is where the AI would come into play. So I've played with it a little bit. It's pretty helpful. It's not like so much like a ChatGPT or anything like that, but it's getting there. I know they're still working on it. It's something pretty new. And over here, this is where you can add emojis to kind of like enhance the caption and kind of like grab the attention of users and people looking at your posts. And then they have a saved caption feature, so you can use, I think, previous captions that you've used on posts from the past, or you can create some and just leave them there for you to use later. And then it gives you hashtag suggestions to basically direct your post at what demographic you're trying to reach and the people you're trying to have look at your posts. And then like Omar was saying earlier, Instagram, you have to crop the pictures before you post them because Instagram is a little weird like that. And Twitter, you have to shorten the caption because they have like a limited amount of characters that you can post on Twitter. And then on the side here, let me just give you an example. See, like one of these are my posts. I can create a post right here. This one I created. Create the post. See, so you I choose a post, choose a picture, or it could be a video or reel, and I can write the caption over here. Edit the image from over here before you post it if you don't like something that you did real quick, and then schedule the post to go. And then it'll schedule, for example, right here, you can see scheduled at 12 o'clock p.m. I know you guys like to post early in the day because that's whenever most people are looking at you guys' page, I believe. And that's pretty much it for the post. It's very, very simple. And anyone can really use it. I kind of got it like as soon as I started creating the post my first time. So I'm going to pass it over to Rumi.